नमस्कार। आज अपना जो चैप्टर है वो कैलकुलेट सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ ए सर्किल एंड एरिया। सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ सर्किल एंड एरिया, वृत्त की परिधि एवं क्षेत्रफल। सर्कल, द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट इन ए प्लेन which are at the fixed means constant distance from a fixed point in a plane is called a circle. The fixed point is called a center of circle. जो fixed point होता है वो सर्किल का सेंटर कहलाता है। and the fixed distance is called the radius of the circle. और जो fixed distance है वह रेडियस की अपने सर्किल की रेडियस कहलाती है। area, the part of the plane enclosed by a simple closed figure is called a region, and the magnitude of the region enclosed by a plane figure is called area. Area की definition, area of the circle, area of circle pi r square, area of circle pi r square होता है। Circumference, the distance covered by a wheel in one complete rotations is called circumference. एक complete rotation में wheel जितनी distance cover करता है वह उसकी circumference कहलाती है। It is also known as a parameter. इसको अपन parameter भी कह सकते हैं। Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle 2 pi r होती है। The ratio of the circumference a circle with its diameter is a constant which is denoted by the Greek letter pi. Pi is equal to circumference upon diameter. Circumference means a complete rotation of a circle is called circumference. This is the circumference. Chord, a line segment join any 2 points of a circle is called a chord of a circle. Chord means a circle 2 points in circumference A and B, and line segment join the 2 points. Line segment which joined 2 points is called chord. So AB is chord of circle. Diameter, a chord passing through the center of circle is called diameter. A diameter, a chord which passing through center. Let the center of circle be O, then line segment chord which passing through the center O is called diameter. Arc, any any 2 point of a circle divide the circle into 2 parts called the arc of the circle. Arc means any 2 point of circle A and B which is divide circle in 2 parts, one AB and other BA. AB is minor arc, BA is major arc. Smaller part is called minor arc and major arc is a longer part. Segment, the area enclosed by an arc and it is corresponding chord is called segment of circle. Arc and chord, its area is called minor segment. If it is also smaller part is called minor segment and longer part is called measure segment. Segment means one arc and one chord. Arc and chord. It is called measure segment or minor segment. It called segment. The area enclosed by an arc, one arc and a chord. Its area is called segment. Smaller part is called minor segment and longer part is called measure segment. Sector, the area enclosed by any two radii and the arc determined by the end point of the radii is called the sector of circle. Sector of circle means two radius, one radius and two radius, OA and OB, and one arc and enclosed by a area means shaded portion is called sector. Smaller part is called minor sector and it is major sector. Concentric circle. In a plane, two or more circles are called concentric circle. They have the same center. Same center हो, रेडियस अलग अलग हो तो हम उसको कहेंगे concentric circle. जिसका सेंटर तो एक ही हो लेकिन रेडियस अलग अलग हो. When the angle at the center is theta, then area of the corresponding sector का जो एरिया होगा वो होगा पाई आर स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. हम इसको ऐसे भी याद रख सकते हैं, पाई आर स्क्वायर ये होता है एरिया ऑफ सर्किल और इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दें थीटा अपॉन 360 से. इस तरीके से हम इसको याद रख सकते हैं. और 1/2 LR where L is the length of the arc. So the length of the arc that subtends an angle of theta is equal to pi r theta upon 180 or 2 pi r theta upon 360. हम इसे इस तरीके से भी याद रख सकते हैं 2 pi r means circumference of circle और into theta upon 360 degree.